Product properties help you capture additional information about a product, from simple text to calculated values. In this wizard, you will learn when to use product properties with and without calculations, and how they can make your quotes more flexible. Product properties help you describe your products more precisely. They appear clearly below the product in the quote, and their values can be neatly stored in Salesforce fields and processed further in your CRM. There are two record types of product properties: without calculation, purely informative, and with calculation, if they are to influence the price. If you assign the dynamic page layout per record type, only the fields that are relevant for the respective type are automatically displayed. The basic configuration is the same for all properties. First, enter the name that should appear in the quote. For example, installation date. Then select the product or product group to which the property applies. If a property is the same for several products, you can assign it to a product group, for example, a date for all products in the product group installation. Then you specify the property type and determine whether the property should be visible or invisible, whether it is mandatory, and in which order it appears in the quote if you combine several properties. Optionally, you can pre-assign a default value and specify in which Salesforce field the value is stored in the quote item and opportunity product. In the field Opportunity Line Item API. This is helpful if the value of the property is to be further processed in the CRM, for example the start date of a license. Now you are familiar with the basic principle of product properties and know how to create them and, if necessary, prepare them for price calculations. In the next video, we will examine the different types of product properties and how to configure them in detail.